morning friends, I am Suraj Agrawal and welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel Gardening is my passion. Today friends, I have brought something new, that is a tomato plant. So I am telling you today how to prune the tomato plant most perfectly so that you can get the maximum fruits from here and your tomato plants will be very beautiful plant. There will be the tomato plants will be very healthy and okay. So I am giving you some tips how to maintain your tomato plants and how to get maximum fruits from the tomato plants. So there are some tips you must follow and you will get the success in growing the tomato plants. So see what I am doing to show you. So friends, when pruning the tomato, if you are using a pair of scissors or any knife, whatever you are using, so you just sterilize it with alcohol or whatever, Dettol or something. This is the Dettol, you can use Dettol also and you can use alcohol. So I have washed it clearly so that your instrument would be sterilized. So I have sterilized it with alcohol. Now 2 things you should remain in your mind. First thing, that we are pruning the heads of these chrysanthemum plants, that is for the so that after branching it out totally, it branches out here from new branches come out, and here this is the result. Here so many branches come out and we get the maximum burst from here. This is the reason we are pruning or pinching off the chrysanthemum plants. But in case of tomato plants, this is the reverse case, opposite reason we are pruning the tomato plants. We are in natural conditions, they branch out maximum, and if they branch out maximum, so fruits will be very small, you cannot get beautiful fruits. So in the opposite region, we are cutting off all the branches, side branches, all the suckers, so that you keep maximum, you keep 2 to 3 main stems. Main stems you keep just 2 to 3, and at the side of the suckers, those which are growing new suckers from here, we will be removing all the suckers from here. So this is the reason why we are pruning the tomato the maximum, so that the minimum branches can come out. You keep one main growing stem and keep another growing stem, branch stem. So not more than 2 in the tomato that we are using veggie in your tomato in your kitchen. So these are normally indeterminate type of tomato or big size of tomato. You keep just 2 main branches from here, not more than 2 branches. Maximally you can use 3 branches, and if there are more suckers are coming out, you just remove them. So I am showing you how to remove the suckers from here. So friends, this is the tomato plant, and just flower clusters are opening up here. Blossoms are now started. These are the buds and these are all the blossoms for flowering. So all these are set for production of tomato plants, and I am showing you this is the sucker at the end of the leaf. These are the leaf region and nodal region. So this is the sucker. I am removing the suckers from here. So you just cut it off the suckers from here. So this is one sucker, and another this is one coming out from here. So I am removing that also. And if you want, you can use, this is the third one. Here the suckers are coming out. I am removing from my fingers of my hand. That's what I have removed here. So now these are the plants removing. And what we will do now, they are just the lower sides of leaf, just cut it off. I am showing you why to cut it off the lower parts of the leaves. So I am removing the lower parts of the leaves. And now what remains there, this is the main growing stem, and this is the second one, and this is the third one. So not more than 3. Never keep stems more than 3. And these are the suckers are coming out. I am removing this one with my hand. So these are the suckers all, and these are the, and one thing you keep in mind, just never remove the top portion of the leaf. Just don't prune the top portion of the head portion of the leaf, because new branch and flowers and blossoms are coming out. So this will be flowering and huge fruits will come out here. So these are the points you should keep in mind, and removing the lower leaves so that fungal attack does not occur. This is the rule number 1 of pruning the plant. I am showing you in another plant. Friends, I am showing you why I am removing the lower parts of the leaves. So these are the lower parts of leaf, and you can see these are the all fungal attack. So these are the all fungal attack, and once it is attacked properly, this will infect the upper parts also. so their production will be very low. So what we will do now, pinch off or cut off it here. The lower parts of the leaves, cut off it here. So I am removing, and this third one I am also removing here. So this one, and in another plant I am saying this one is also infected by fungus. I am removing this part also. So this one also and this one also. You keep at least 6 inches clear area from here, 6 inches from the ground or the soil, so that no fungal attack can attack the whole the plants. So that is the reason why we are removing the lower side of the leaves. Removing these suckers also. This sucker I am removing. This is the sucker, another sucker I am removing from this side. So this is the sucker I am removing, and removing the lower parts of the leaves also. So this is the plant, and just don't damage the plant in any way. So this is the system of growing the tomato plants. So this is the rule, and if the suckers are coming out from the base, you just remove from the base also. That I am showing you in another plant where I have to remove the suckers from the lower plant. Just keep 2 main growing stems, and maximally you can keep 3 main growing stems, and whatever the suckers are coming out from the leaf nodes, just remove it by hands or by the pair of scissors. You remove them and remove the lower parts of the leaf at least 6 inches, from the base. You remove all the leaves from here, otherwise the plants will be infected by the fungus. So remove all the plants from the lower side. I am showing you another plant. This is the leaf from here. This is the leaf from here. This is yellowing and attacking by fungus. Also, I am removing the lower parts of the leaves, and I am removing this part of the leaf also. So just if you are growing in the pots, you just remove from 6 inches and above, and if you are growing in the ground up to 1 feet high, you just remove all the leaves from here. This is the rule. And this one is a cherry type of tomato. You keep small types of plants, and these are for decorative purposes also. So these are the all blossoms, are cluster of blossoms are there in all cherry. These are the all cherry tomato. In within 1 month, all the fruits will come out, and beautiful fruits. This will be the full of fruits here. So just keep this one stem, this one stem, this one stem, and this one. 4 to 5 stems you keep in cherry plants, because the fruits are very small, and this is mainly for decoration purposes. So when you are growing the veggie tomato for your kitchen, you keep 2 to 3 main stems, and if you want, you can keep 1 also. And if you are growing the cherry tomato, you keep 3 to 5 branches, not more than that. And if the more and more branches are coming out, you just remove the lower part of this. These are the lower suckers. I am removing all this from here. So just keep 3 to 5 main growing branches from here. So this is the point I am going to make you with you. This is the point. So friends, hope you have enjoyed the things, you have learned the things, how to grow the tomato, and I'll be giving you all the updates when the tomatoes will come out, all the fruits will come out. And if you like the video, please give it a like. If you want to share, please share with your near and dear ones. And if you want to subscribe, please subscribe my channel. I am going to give you lots and lots of video in different aspects of this tomato plants and all the fruiting plants. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you. Thank you.